Hey everyone, Coco here. Welcome to today's Explainer. We're jumping straight into a really fun grammar game today to help you become a total master of words. Seriously, we're going to unlock the magic of something called the present tense. We'll figure out what it actually is, exactly how to use it, and yeah, we'll definitely have some fun pop quizzes along the way to test out those new super skills years. So, you ready? Okay, let's dive into this.
First things first, before we get to the really fun stuff, what exactly is the present tense? Well, to wrap our heads around that, we just need a quick reminder about verbs. A verb is simply an action word, right? It's something you literally do, like jumping, running, smiling, or, laughing. So the absolute crucial point, our golden rule for today, is this. The present tense tells us about those action words when they're happening right now or when they're things we do every single day. Let me repeat that. Present tense equals now or every day. You're going to want to keep that golden rule safely in your back pocket because we are going to use it a ton today. Let's look at a super simple example. I eat an apple. Now, I want you to just close your eyes for a second. Picture yourself eating a delicious, crunchy, bright red apple. Are you taking a giant bite out of it right now in your imagination? Or maybe eating an apple is just a regular habit for you, like something you do every single day for an afternoon snack. Because the action is happening now or happens every day, we use the present tense word eat. Let's check out another one. She reads a book. And honestly, this brilliantly illustrates how we talk about things happening right in front of our very eyes or, a habit someone does daily. Whether she's physically flipping the pages of some fantastic story right this very second, or maybe she reads a book every single night before bed. Reads is our present tense action word here. It tells us exactly when the action is going down. Now, you might be wondering, what if there's more than one person doing the action? Well, take a listen to this. They play football. It works the exact same way for groups of people. If your friends are outside on the field kicking the ball around right now, scoring goals, or even if they just practice together every Tuesday afternoon, they play football. The action is happening now, or it happens regularly. See? It fits our golden rule perfectly. Okay, now it's time for the really cool part. Our magic formula. Did you happen to notice how sometimes the action word looks just a little bit different? When we talk using I, we, you, or they, we just use the base verb exactly as it normally is. Like I play, we sing, you dance, they jump. Absolutely no extra letters. But when we switch to he, she, or it, something pretty magical happens. We actually add an S or an ES to the very end of the action word. So play becomes plays. He plays, she sings, it runs, the cat drinks. Let's make absolutely sure this magic formula sticks right in our brains because it is incredibly important. Come on, say it out loud with me at home. Nice and loud. You ready? I, we, you, they, play. He, she, it plays. Adding that little S for he, she, and it is literally the secret trick to mastering the present tense. So are you ready to test out your new grammar superpowers? Because it's officially practice time. Let's see how this all builds together in our challenge round. Listen closely to this sentence. I blank milk. So, is the answer A, drinks, or B, drink? I want you to really think about our magic rule for the word I. I'll give you a few seconds to shout out your answer. Go for it. Well, if you said option B, drink, you are absolutely right. We do not add an S when we use the word I. I drink milk. What a fantastic start. All right, here comes your next practice question. She blank a song. Do we use A, sing, or B, sings? Check those memory banks. Does the word she need an S at the end of the action word? I'm listening. You totally nailed it. The correct answer is B. She sings a song. Amazing job paying attention to that magic formula rule. You guys are getting so incredibly fast at this. Try this one out. They blank football. Is it A, play, or B, plays? Think about our group rule for the word they. Do we add an S, or do we keep the verb just as it is? Let me hear you shout it out. Spot on. The answer is A. They play football. No S is needed when we use they. You are seriously on a roll. Okay, here is the final practice question before we move on to our big quiz. The dog blank loudly. Is it A, barks, or B, bark? Now think carefully about this one for a second. The dog is an animal, right? So in grammar, we can basically treat it as an it. What's the rule for it? Yup, that's right, we add an S. So the answer is A, barks. The dog barks loudly.
Great job. You just successfully completed the first round. Give yourselves a massive round of applause. You've been practicing the magic formula brilliantly, so now it's time for the quick quiz round. Let's see if you remember our golden rule from the very beginning of the explainer. Question 1. Which sentence is actually in the present tense? Is it A, I played yesterday, or B, I play every day? Take a second. Which one fits our now or everyday golden rule? It's B, I play every day. The word yesterday means it already happened in the past, so that is definitely not the present tense. Let's look at quick quiz question number 2. He blank to school. A, walk. B, walks. What's the correct verb form for the word he? Think about our magic formula. Do you have it? B is the winner. He walks to school. Because remember, with he, she, and it, we always add that magical S. You are doing so well. Final quiz question. You are doing absolutely incredible so far. We blank together. A, read. B, reads. Look really closely at the pronoun we at the start of the sentence. What's the right answer? It's A, read. We read together. I am cheering you on so loudly right now. You absolutely crushed that quiz round. Let's bring everything we've learned in today's explainer together for a really quick recap. So, what is the present tense? It tells us about actions happening right now or things we do every single day. That's the golden rule, right? And what about our magic formula? Well, when we use I, we, you, or they, we just use the base verb. I play. We eat. But when we use he, she, or it, we add an S or ES. She plays. He reads. It truly is that simple. I'd say you've completely mastered it. Now I have a special mission for you to do at home. Go grab your notebook and your absolute favorite pencil. I've got 5 simple sentences for you. I eat an apple. We play outside. She reads a book. He drinks milk. They sing songs. Your mission is to write down these 5 sentences in your notebook. You can even just pause this explainer right here if you need more time to copy them down. Writing these out will really help you practice your brand new present tense skills on paper so you never, ever forget them. Finally, I want to leave you with a super fun challenge. Once you finish that notebook activity, I want you to literally take a look around your home. What are your parents or your brothers and sisters or even your pets doing right now in the present tense? Maybe you see that my mother cooks food or my father reads a newspaper, or maybe you can just say, I draw a picture. Look around, be a grammar detective, spot those actions, and say 3 present tense sentences out loud. Thank you so much for joining me, Coco, to learn all about the present tense today. Keep practicing, keep spotting those action words because grammar isn't just stuck in books, it's happening all around you, right now. So stay curious, keep those detective eyes open, and I can't wait to see you in our next explainer.